Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, we've had some great comments the last couple of weeks and plus some new subscribers. So thank you very much for that and keep those going. Like I say, we're on another little tour of the layout soon. But like I say, in front of me, got my wife working hard on another little project. I think she's working on the Christmas markets. So we come back and see her once I've done the tour. As you see in the kitchen at the moment, we've got a few Christmas decorations up already. Shows you we're actually in the Christmas spirit, and like I say, it's quite a nice time of year when we start sharing things with people. As we come on to the layout now, up the top end there, we've got is the actual sheep. These are the sheep that my wife has been working on. The ones I told you that actually just come like grey 3D, and what we've done, we painted the black and then we painted up white, and then what my wife's done, she's put this a white powder stuff on top of their coats to just puff them out a bit. So they do look quite impressive. So much look better than the other ones we had on the layout. So with these trees that we actually made from when we walked the dogs and we made these up, they do look quite impressive. Plus you've got the Class 66 there now and just blends in nicely. Like I said, we've got the old scrapyard here now. I haven't done much of the scrapyard because we're working on the Christmas markets at the moment, so we'll come back to this. I've got loads of items I need to put in here, but I've got them on standby at the moment, so if you bear with us. And another thing is the canal at the moment, all I've done is put an extra boat man in there. There's got 2 boats in there plus the canal. And that it does look quite impressive, but we still need to finish off this area too. But like I say, we thought we'd get the Christmas market done first, as this time of year. It'd be nice to get it out in the next couple of weeks. So I'll show you a bit of progress. As we go over the back here now, we started putting these fence posts up there. These are things I was telling you about the last video we had. These are laser cuts, so what I've done, I painted these up. As you see, if I got a little bit closer, I put these in, I glued them all in, and once these go dry off, I can start wiring them around. And they do look quite impressive, especially over the back area now, especially the depot. So it looks like there's something stopping so you don't go down the hill. As you're coming on the left hand side, this layout now is going up three floors. I've got another set of floors on this side here. And this is where the underground will be going on this level here. But I've got to finish this area off here to mould this back into it. So I've got 2 more floors to go on that and show you what to do in the next progress in the next couple of videos or so. But like I say, it's starting to come together now in lots of areas. Like I say, you can see where we're actually going with it. It's taking time, but like I say, it's quite rewarding as we come around, especially with the church that we've done, with the old sweet wrapper windows, and especially with the lights on that, it does look quite impressive. And it's starting to come together as a nice little layout now. As we come back on the table here, like my wife's working hard. We've got this Christmas tree here, it just comes out, we're going to take the lights off, we're going to start putting some more lights on it. Because like I say, it just comes with one set of white. And we went onto eBay and got these cheap lights here, but they're all different colours and they flash, so that'll bring the actual Christmas tree alive. As you see here, my wife's working on these little market stores at the moment. She's done a few sitting here now. If I can blend in, come in quite close, you can actually see them. But like I say, once these are weathered on the layout and there's snow on top of them, they're going to look quite impressive. Like I say, she's working quite well at the moment, working hard on this layout. I think we've got about four or five huts. And then we've got loads of tables to do and other things on there. And plus I've got a couple more little packs I gave her just to blend in. And I think that she's going to work on an ice rink too down there. We've got a snow scene and we've got some skaters. So we've got quite a lot going on in that area there. But like I say, these little kits are quite fiddly. But like once they're done, they do look quite impressive. So what we're hoping to do is put a few lights underneath. So at night time they do light up inside. So it gives you seen, and once you get a few people standing in front of them, they're going to look quite impressive. So like I say, she's working hard. Don't want to upset her as it's going along. And I hope to get those on the layout in the next couple of weeks. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe, and we'll see you on our next journey.